Honey, I found you. Honey, are you hearing me?
Yes, why?
Why are you holding that mask?
Well, I don't want to be a faceless jerk anymore. I want to be the animatronic I used to be.
Oh, okay, wait, what?
What he's saying is, he really misses his face. He found a mask, and he wants to put it on.
Then why don't you just put it on already?
No, Freddy. Give me some time.
So, how do you feel?
I have a face.
Well, that was weird.
Yeah, I feel better now. It's like I just got fixed.
Honey,
What?
congratulations. You are fixed.
Oh my gosh. This is the happiest moment of my life. Well, looks like it was just a dream. I still have a mask though. Should I wear it? You know what? No. I'll just enjoy my life like this.